Welcome back, my YouTube family. Check out that gooey sandwich. Let's get started.
Welcome back, my YouTube fam. Here is another recipe. We are doing another one meat, two recipe. Today's meat is spam. Spam. Remember that? You used to eat it a lot. I know we used to eat it a lot when we were young. I used to be able to even eat it when it was raw. I can't touch it when it's raw now, but I still love it. But I like it fried up, and I'm going to show you all that. But we're going to do two different recipes with this spam here. We're going to make it into a salad, and then we're going to do a hot wrap with this spam with some cheese, simple cheese and everything. So today our ingredients will be, quite naturally, meat of choice will be spam. For the first recipe, which will be a salad, it will be a spam salad. I'll be using this new find I found in the market, which I'll be using, just adding spam to it. It's a little kit, and we'll see what it looked like. So it was on sale because of hint of this, but you know, hey, let's see what happens. So they were on sale, so I got two. I figured, hey, why not try them? So that will be what I'll be using, and I'll be putting in the bowl. And my second recipe will just be a simple wrap. I buy low carb wraps. Also, I get them off of Amazon because I just buy them in bulk. Because since I buy them in bulk, I find them easier getting off Amazon. But these are low carb wraps. Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh. These are low carb wraps. I buy them the spinach, which is this one, and I also have the tomato. So I will put a little picture of that in here. But this is what I'll be using the wrap. I got a pound of cheese from ShopRite, and these are just and then also I will be frying it with some butter. Butter is always good. So, and then my normal seasoning, which is my garlic and onion powder, is in this one container because I am still dog sitting, so I kind of combine some of the things I know I do use together. So onion powder, garlic powder is in here, ground up peppers in here, and then I have my salt, my Himalayan sea salt in here. So, and I would just be making me a small sandwich. So I will see you when I fry up my spam. See you in the next clip, fam. Okay, we're going to fry these up, and we're going to fry these up. I cut these in kind of cube likes for my salad, and I'll see you in the next clip once these are fried up and I'm ready to assemble them together. All right, welcome back. All right, we now have the spam all fried up. I have the slices that will be with my wrap, and I have the bite size I will be putting in my salad. So since I already have my salad mixed, which this is the salad once again, it had a little pack of salad dressing. I used about half of it, and it had a pack of bacon. I'm not using bacon with this one, so I just mixed it together. I added my little bit of seasoning like I always do. So this is what you're seeing, this salad, and I'm about to add, I don't even know if I'm gonna use all this. Spam salad is now put a little bit of butter, like this is what we took the butter out for. Not a lot, just a little bit of butter. I like that extra flavor of the butter. So just that. So we have the cheese we're going to use, we have the wrap, and we have the spam. For this recipe, I probably only use 2 pieces of spam, but I'm going to use quite a bit of cheese, probably for some people. But this will be 2 pieces of cheese. I'm going to take 2 things of spam. I'm going to put my seasons, your seasons of choice, as remember the stove is still warming up. And actually, I don't think I'm going to put salt, so I'm going to leave the salt alone. Because, believe it or not, spam is salty enough. So, I don't need salt for this one. And I am going to put 2 more pieces of cheese. You know what? Let's use all the Spam. Let's double deck it. Let's see how this goes. I might end up overfilling it. So let's do that. I don't know if it's going to work when it comes time to closing it. Did I make a good decision or not? We will see. A little, but I'm okay with that. So we're going to do this, and we're just going to let that cook. I finished frying up the Spam. I will pick it up because I didn't burn it, but I think it's going to be delicious. That's the one side, and this is the other side. Actually, you can make this as a sandwich to go. I just gave you an idea. You could pre-made this, and then you can put them in the freezer and then thaw them out when you need them too. Come on, let's pull all these hacks out here. Give me some ideas. I'm just coming out with them. Okay, and this is my salad. I also included the cheese of choice, which I put a little shredded cheese on there. And these are my 2 Spam recipes. So let's cut into this, because we know what a salad looks like, but we want to see what this looks like. So let's cut this like on an angle. Again, this will be an awesome sandwich to go. I can even use this to take on a plane when I'm traveling. See, you know me, I'm always thinking about that. So, ooh, it looks like it's nice and gooey. So we're going to cut into it, and let me bring it up to you when I cut into it so we can always get the visuals. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't cut it. Okay, and I'm stripping some of my goodness out. So let me try to pick it up because it's still pretty hot. This is your sandwich. This could be lunch. This could be dinner. It could be a sandwich on the go when you're traveling this summer in the car. I might even make this for the family sandwich to go, whoever likes Spam. But you could do it with any type of meat. It could be ground beef, ground pork, whatever. It could be egg. You can make we got a little audience back there. But be creative. This is just with Spam. Let me know if you want me to try it with something else. So that is this wrap. And we have the salad. So fam, enjoy.